camera way too. I hate that. Oh, honey. I'm sorry. You don't like that? I said I was sorry. I know. You were sleeping and I scared you. I shouldn't have slapped my hands. Really? You don't want to be videotaped? You don't like it? You didn't get a chance to comb your hair? Oh, it's too bad. Do you want us to leave you alone so you can sleep? You're sleeping? No, I slapped my hands. I woke you up. I said I was sorry. I already apologized. Sassy, you go on and on about that. Can you let it rest? I thought. I know I did last week. I know. Not every day. I do it every day. I'm sorry. What if I stop? You alright? Okay. Okay, so you're not done. You got something else to say? Oh, the smoke alarms. You don't like me touching them either? Okay. I won't. I'm just visiting with you.